Hello everyone present out there, this is Latakshi Saria from class 10th F, and today I am going to show you the apps which I have created in the Adult lab. So let's take a look of the apps.
So here we are with the COVID app which I have created. So this app works on the React Native framework, and it basically fetches all the cases on all the data from a government API. But for now the government API has been stopped maintaining, and the government is not maintaining anymore. So that's why the data may be inaccurate. So let's move to the app and let's see what it can show. So in the first screen it shows us all the cases and the global scenario of the COVID from the first wave till now. As soon as we go to the second tab, here is a country scenario in which you can type the country name you want to search and it will show all the data of it. Like for instance, if we type India and click on search, so it will show all the data of India, means total case, deaths, total recovery and new cases. Now as we go on the third tab, which is the world tab, so here it will show all the data of all the countries in a magnified view. So here in the top it a world view, then a USA, India, Brazil, France and so much more. If we scroll down, here on the top there is a home icon. If we click on it, we will directly go to the global COVID scenario. Here along with the home icon there is a 3-dot icon in which if we click, so there is a FAQ screen. If we click on the FAQ screen, so it will show us the basic questions about the COVID which people might want to know. So these are the questions and more questions can be added in the future. And after that, if we click on again 3 dots, then there are do's and don'ts of this app. So now if we go on do's and don'ts screen, so here we will get the information about what thing we should do and what we should not do in this COVID scenario. Again, if we go at the down, there is a more information button on which if a user clicks, so he will be redirected to the WHO website on which he can get more information about the COVID app. It was all about this app. Now let's move to my next app. So moving to the next app, I have a Monkey Chunky app which helps the people whom do not know how to pronounce a word or have difficulty in pronouncing new words. So this app will basically take the input from you and then analyzes the word and breaks it into the chunks. And then after that you can click on any chunk and listen the output of it, like how it is pronounced. So let's have a working of it. If we click on here, so we can give the word input here, like if I give information and click on search, so it have analyzed it and given the chunks of it. So these are the chunks. If I click on I, so it gave me the pronunciation of I.
No. Oh.
So like this, if we click on any of the word, it will give me the pronunciation of that word. Other than this, we can also search for any word, like if we search for community, so it give me the, so if I click on any of the chunks, so it will give me the pronunciation of it.
Yeah. Ooh.
So now this app is also completed, and now let's move towards the last app, which is actually the game. And if we go more precisely, it is a server based multiplayer game. So let's move on to it. So this is actually a multiplayer game which uses a free networking available on internet as a server. It might be, so here you can give your username from which you want to play. So if I give my name for instance, and then you can create game or find game. If we create a game, so on the server it will create a room in which various players can join. And if we find a game, then we will find the rooms which are created by other players, and then we are going to join that room. So for now we are going to create the game, and then here we can give the room name which we want to create. So for now I will give this as number and create a game of it. So here now if we click on start game, so the game will be started and you will be able to roam here and there and play the game. Like here you can choose the bullets. There is also an ammo counting system and a health system, and there are various guns involved in the game. Like for instance, if I click on 2, so there will be a shotgun. If I click on 3, there will be a pistol. And all the things have different kind of damage. Like the shotgun gives more damage and have more recoil too. Like whereas as compared to pistol, it have very less damage and very less recoil too. So that's all from my side, and thank you.